So hi everyone, I am Subhadip. So today in this video I will explain this question, and this was asked in 2029 JEE Advanced in paper 1. So this question was easy but it was very lengthy. So let us look at the question. Alpha beta be roots of the equation this and alpha greater than beta, then these two condition happens, then we have to find these options which are correct and which is not. So let us start. So suppose the equation is x square minus x minus 1 equals to 0 and alpha beta are roots. So what will be alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta equals to minus of this coefficient, that means minus 1 divided by 1. So this will be 1. And what will be alpha beta? Alpha beta will be this coefficient. This is minus 1. So this is alpha beta. Now suppose alpha minus beta whole square, it will be what? Alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. So this will be alpha plus beta whole square, that means 1 plus 4. So alpha minus beta, this will be plus minus root 5. Now which I have to take, plus or minus? It was given by here. So alpha greater than beta is given here. So alpha minus beta greater than 0. So alpha minus beta must be positive. So alpha minus beta will be root 5. Alpha, since alpha minus beta greater than 0, right? So we get these things. Now check this option. So first option was a number option, a1 plus a2 plus dot 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 plus an. We have to find if this sum is an plus 2 minus 1 or not, we have to check. So this is equals to, what is a1? So a1 is from here, it is given that an is alpha to the power n minus beta to the power n by alpha minus beta. So what will be this? So this will be alpha to the power n, that means alpha minus beta for a1 divided by alpha minus beta, plus for a2 alpha square minus beta square, just put the value of n. So this will be alpha minus beta plus dot 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 plus alpha to the power n minus beta to the power n divided by alpha minus beta. So this can be written as, let us take LCM alpha minus beta. So what we get? When we add, we get these things, alpha plus alpha square plus dot 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 plus alpha to the power n. If we take common minus, then beta plus beta square plus dot 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 plus beta to the power n, right? Now this is equals to, we know this is the sum of geometric series. So this will be first a into r means alpha to the power n minus 1 divided by alpha minus 1. Similarly here beta into beta to the power n minus 1 divided by beta minus 1 and whole divided by alpha minus beta. Now what was the equation? X square minus x minus 1 equals to 0, right? So alpha is a root. So what will be alpha will satisfy this equation. So alpha square minus alpha minus 1 equals to 0. So what will be alpha into alpha minus 1? This will be 1. So alpha will be 1 by alpha minus 1, right? Similarly beta will be 1 by beta minus 1. So let us put here. So 1 by alpha minus 1, this is alpha. So this 1 by alpha minus 1 will be alpha. So this will be alpha square into alpha to the power n minus 1. Similarly minus beta square into beta to the power n minus 1 divided by alpha minus beta, right? So this is equals to, we can take alpha to the power n plus 2 minus beta to the power n plus 2 minus, if we take common, what we get? Alpha square minus beta square divided by alpha minus beta. Now this will be alpha to the power n plus 2 minus beta to the power n plus 2 divided by alpha minus beta minus, this is alpha plus beta into alpha minus beta. So we get alpha plus beta. So this is equals to, this things is what? So from this definition, this is an plus 2. So this is an plus 2 minus, what will be alpha plus beta? So here we calculate alpha plus beta is nothing but 1. So this will be 1. So an plus 2 minus 1. So this option is correct, right? Now let us check second option. For the second option, we have to find summation n equals to 1 to infinity an by 10 to the power n. So summation n equals to 1 to infinity an divided by 10 to the power n. These things, right? So what is an? An is given that summation n equals to 1 to infinity an is given that alpha to the power n minus beta to the power n divided by alpha minus beta into 10 to the power n, right? So this is equals to we can write it as, so what is alpha to the power n? So alpha to the, so this alpha minus beta does not depend on the value of n. So alpha minus beta summation of n equals to 1 to infinity alpha to the power n minus beta to the power n divided by 10 to the power n, right? Now what is alpha to the power n? So this can be written as 1, this summation we can take bracket alpha to the power n by 10 to the power n. So n is 1 to infinity. Similarly, minus summation n equals to 1 to infinity beta to the power n divided by 10 to the power n, right? So this is an infinite GP series. So this will be alpha minus beta into this will be alpha by 10. First term is, since it started from n equals to 1, so alpha by 10 is first term and general ratio is 1 alpha by 10. So this minus, similarly here beta by 10 divided by 1 minus beta by 10, right? So this is equals to 1 by alpha minus beta into this can be written as alpha, so alpha divided by 10 minus alpha. Similarly here minus beta by 10 minus beta, right? So let us calculate this. So 1 by alpha minus beta. Now if you take LCM alpha minus beta into 10 minus beta, 10 minus alpha into 10 minus beta, so this will be alpha into 10 minus beta minus beta into 10 minus alpha, right? So this is equals to 1 by alpha minus beta into, here this is 10 minus alpha beta will we get cancelled, and what we get 10 into alpha minus, so what we get 10 into alpha minus beta divided by 10. So this, if we multiply this will be 10 square minus 10 into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta, right? So this will get cancelled. Why? Because alpha greater than beta, alpha minus beta, so alpha minus beta not equals to 0, right? So this will be equals to 10 divided by 9, 10 square means 100 minus alpha plus beta we calculate previously, this is 1, so this is 10, and alpha beta is what? Alpha beta is our minus 1, so this will be minus 1, so this will be 10 divided by 89. So let us check if it is 10 divided by 89. So yes, this is 10 divided by 89. Now let us look at the third option. So we have to prove Bn equals to alpha to the power n plus beta to the power n. So what is, so Bn, right? So let us take here. So Bn is what? Bn is given here an minus 1 plus an plus 1, right? Now we have to prove that Bn is alpha to the power n plus beta to the power n. So this is equals to, what is an minus 1? This means alpha to the power n minus 1 minus beta to the power n minus 1 divided by alpha minus beta, because an is given here. So plus this will be similarly alpha to the power n plus 1 minus beta to the power n plus 1 divided by alpha minus beta. Now look, so this is, we can take alpha minus beta as common. Now if we take common alpha to the power n minus 1 from this and this, what we get? 1 plus alpha square. Similarly from here if we take common minus beta to the power n minus 1, so we get 1 plus beta square. Now what is the equation? X square minus x minus 1 equals to 0. So what will be x square minus x minus 1 equals to 0. So alpha is satisfying this, so alpha square is alpha plus 1, so that means alpha square plus 1 will be alpha plus 2. So this is equals to alpha to the power n minus 1 into alpha plus 2 minus beta to the power n minus 1 into beta plus 2 divided by alpha minus beta. Now this is equals to, so this is alpha to the power n, right? So alpha, right? So this is alpha to the power n, alpha to the power n. So this will be alpha to the power n, and then this will be alpha plus 2 plus alpha 2. Now we have to find alpha plus 2 value, because we cannot calculate if we step like this. So what will be the alpha plus 2? So we have to find alpha plus 2. So let us find alpha first. So we know that x square minus x plus 1 equals minus 1 equals to 0. So what will be the x? X will be 1 plus minus root 5 divided by 2. Now we know that alpha greater than beta. So what will be alpha? 1 plus root 5 by 2, and beta will be 1 minus root 5 by 2. So if we take alpha plus 2, what we get? 1 plus root 5 by 2 plus 2. So this will be 5 plus root 5 divided by 2. And if we take common root 5, then it will be again alpha. So alpha plus 2 will be root 5 alpha. Similarly, if we take beta plus 2, what we get? So 5 minus root 5 by 2. So if we take root 5 common, then it will be root 5 minus 1. Minus 5 root 5 plus 1 divided by 2. That means this will be minus root 5 beta, right? Minus root 5 beta. Let us put these two here. So here we get alpha to the power n minus 1, and this is root 5 into alpha, minus beta to the power n minus 1 into root 5 beta. This will be plus because we take minus here. So this divided by alpha minus beta. So this is equals to, now this will be root 5 into alpha to the power n plus root 5 into beta to the power n divided by alpha minus beta. Now what is alpha minus beta? Alpha minus beta we calculate here. This is root 5. So this is alpha to the power n plus beta to the power n root 5 into divided by root 5. So alpha to the power n plus beta to the power n. So our this option is also correct. Now we will check this option using this third option. So from the third option, what we get? Bn equals to, our Bn equals to alpha n plus beta n. Now for the fourth option, we have to find Bn divided by 10 to the power n, summation of. So summation of Vn divided by 10 to the power n, n equals to 1 to infinity. So this will be equals to summation n equals to 1 to infinity. Vn means what? Alpha n plus beta n. Not alpha n, this is alpha to the power n, beta to the power n. Alpha to the power n, beta to the power n divided by 10 to the power n, right? So this will be equals to summation of alpha to the power n divided by 10 to the power n plus summation of n is obviously 1 to infinity. This is also 1 to infinity. Beta to the power n divided by 10 to the power n, right? So this will be equals to, now this is also a geometric series with general ratio alpha by 10. So first term is alpha by 10 divided by 1 minus alpha by 10. Similarly, this is beta by 10 divided by 1 minus beta by 10. So now if we calculate, it will be alpha by 10 minus alpha plus beta by 10 minus beta. So this is equals to alpha into 10 minus beta plus beta into 10 minus alpha divided by 10 minus alpha into 10 minus beta, right? This. So this is equals to, so we get 10 into, this is alpha plus beta minus 2 alpha beta divided by, this is 10 square minus of alpha plus beta, 10 into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. Now we know the value of alpha plus beta is what? Alpha plus beta is 1. So this will be 10, and alpha beta is minus 1. So this will be plus 2 divided by 100 minus 10 minus 1. So this will be 12 by 89. Now let's look at the option 12 by 29, but here is given that 8 divided by 89. So here we get what? 12 by 89. So this option is not correct. So for this question, A, B, C was correct. So this was the question, and this is a very easy question, but it is lengthy, too much lengthy. So that's it for today. And if you have any doubt, you can comment down below about the doubt. And also, if you like the content, you can share with your friends. Thank you everyone. Bye.